Hello everyone. So in this video we will solve second question of exercise 1.1 of chapter number 1 real numbers. So what is the question number 2? Find the LCM and HCF of the following pair of integers. तो हमें क्या करना है, जो भी हमें इंटीजर्स के पेयर गिवन है उसका हमें एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करना है और साथ में एचसीएफ फाइंड आउट करना है. वेरीफाई दैट एलसीएम इंटू एचसीएफ इज़ इक्वल्स टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर. और साथ में हमें वेरीफाई क्या करना है कि अगर हम एलसीएम और एचसीएफ को मल्टीप्लाई करें दैट विल बी इक्वल टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर्स. वो जो है दोनों नंबर्स की मल्टीप्लिकेशन के इक्वल है. So our first part is 26 and 91. So firstly we will find the prime factors of 26 and 91. So prime factors of 26 and 91 are, so firstly we will find the prime factors of 26 as well as 91 by using the prime factorization method. तो प्राइम फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करते हैं. लास्ट डिजिट इज़ इवन हेयर, सो 26 इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Now 13 is a prime number, so it is divisible by 13 only, and 13 1s are 13. So prime factors of 26 are 2 into 13 and 2 13s are 26. Similar 91. So last digit is 1. It is not divisible by 2. It is divisible by 7. 13 7s are 91. And again 13 is a prime number, so it is divisible by 13. 13 1s are 13. So prime factors of 91 are 7 and 13. So now we will find HCF. So what is HCF? It is highest common factor. तो HCF जो है वो 2 नंबर्स और 3 नंबर्स का हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल 26 इज़ हैविंग 2 फैक्टर्स 2 and 13 and 91 is having 2 factors 7 and 13. Now which factor is common here? 13. Both numbers are having 13 as a common factor. Two is here in the 26 but it is not in the 91. 7 यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे नहीं है, तो only 13 जो है वो common factor है और single common factor है, तो यही हमारा highest common factor है. तो highest common factor is 13. Now we will find LCM. So what is the LCM? Least common multiple. And formula to find LCM is equals to product of two numbers divided by HCF. तो हम दोनों नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करके HCF से डिवाइड कर रहे हैं. तो फर्स्ट नंबर वाज 26, सेकेंड नंबर वाज 91 एंड डिवाइडेड बाय 13. 13 इज़ अ कॉमन फैक्टर. 13 1s are 13, 13 2s are 26. So we will get 2 and 91. And 91 2s are 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. So our LCM will be 182. अब देखो हमें इक्वेशन में क्या फाइंड आउट करना था, LCM एंड HCF. तो हमने LCM फाइंड आउट किया है. LCM इज़ 182 एंड HCF इज़ 13. अब हमें वेरिफिकेशन भी करनी है, सो वी विल डू वेरिफिकेशन. तो क्या वेरीफाई करना है? LCM इंटू HCF is equals to product of two numbers. So let us multiply LCM and HCF. LCM is 182 and HCF is 13. and product of numbers, first number is 26 and second number is 91. So multiply 182 with 13. So what will we get? We will get 2366. And similar, when you will multiply 26 with 91, you will again get 2366. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. So hence verified. तो वेरिफिकेशन इज़ डन. जो एलसीएम और एचसीएफ का मल्टीप्लिकेशन है दैट इज इक्वल्स टू प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर्स. सो नाउ वी विल फाइंड सेकेंड पार्ट 510 and 92. So we have to find HCF and LCM. So firstly again we will find prime factors of 510 and 92. So come to 510 and here is 92. So last digit is even here, it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. So we will get 255. Last digit is 5, so it is divisible by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 1 is 6, so it is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. And 17 is a prime number, so it is divisible by 17. So 17 1s are 17. So prime factors of 510 are 2, 5, 3 and 17. So come to the 92. Again last digit is 2, so it is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12. Again last digit is even, so divide by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. And 23 is a prime number, so it is divisible by 23. So 23 1s are 23. So prime factors of 92 are 2, 2 and 23. So let us find the HCF. So we will multiply all the common factors to find the highest common factor. Here it is having 2. It is always also having 2. So 1 is 2. इसमें 5 है. Here 5 नहीं है. 3 नहीं है यहाँ पे. 17 नहीं है. 23 नहीं है. So HCF is 2 only. Why? Because it is having only one common factor, that is 2. So our HCF is 2. So come to the LCM. LCM is equals to product of two numbers over HCF. तो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर्स कौन से नंबर्स गिवन है? 510 एंड 92 एंड डिवाइडेड बाय 2. तो 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 2 1s are 2. 246 is 92. So 510 multiply by 46. So we will get, when you will multiply 510 with 46, you will get 23,460. So our HCF is 2 and our LCM is 23,460. Now we will do verification. So what we have to verify, that LCM into HCF is equals to product of two numbers. This is our LCM. LCM was 23,462. 60 and HCF is 2. And product of two numbers, first number is 510, second number is 92. So when you will get multiply 23,460 with 2, you will get 2 zeros are 0, 6 2s are 12, 2 1 carry, 4 2s are 8, 9, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So you will get 46,920. And similar, when you will multiply 510 with 92, you will get 46,920. So hence verified. What you have verified here, that LCM into HCF is equals to product of two numbers. Come to the third part, 336 and 54. So again, firstly find the prime factors of 336 and 54. So firstly we will find prime factors of 336 and then prime factors of 54. So last digit is even, multiply by, divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16. Again last digit is even, so divide by 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8. Again even, so divided by 2. 4s are 8, 2s are 4. Again divided by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Divided by 3, 3 7s are 21. And 7 is a prime number, so it is divisible by 7. So 7 1s are 7. So prime factors of 336 are 2, 2, 2, 2, 3 and 7. So 4 times 2 and then 3 and 7. So factors of 54, again it is divisible by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So prime factors of 54 are 2 and 3 times 3. So now we will find HCF. So what will be the HCF? HCF is common factors. So find out the common factors. 2. So 1 times 2, it is having 3 times 3 and it is having 1 times 3. So take 1 common, 3, and 2 3 is 6. So HCF is 6. Now we will find LCM. So what is the formula of LCM? Product of two numbers over HCF. So what are the two numbers? 336 and 54. And HCF is 6. So divide it with 6. 6 1s are 6. 6 9s are 54. So 336 multiply by 9. So 9 6 are 54, 4 5 carry, 9 3s are 27 plus 5 32, 2 3 carry, 9 3s are 27, 3 carry, so 30. So you will get 3024. So our LCM is 3024. Now we will do verification. So what is the verification? LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So LCM is 3024, HCF is 6, and two numbers are 336 and 54. So multiply 3024 with 6. What will we get? 6 4s are 24, 4 2 carry, 2s are 12, 12 2, 14 1 carry, 6 zeros are 0 1. So you will get 18,144. Again when you will multiply both the numbers, you will again get 18,144. So hence verified that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers. So this is the solution of question number 2.